I can fully admit, had the Golden State Warriors lost the NBA Finals to the Boston Celtics, I would not be wearing this pair right now. Just out of principle, okay? That's just the competitor in me. I would not be able to wear this shoe right now. But we won ring 4 for the Dynasty, so therefore, pick this pair up from GOAT, and it's absolutely being worn. Well, we get the expected purple box for the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro St. Patrick's Day colorway Lucky Green and Metallic Gold. We have a deep Lucky Green suede with a metallic gold patent leather swoosh, the embroidered 4-leaf clover on the lateral side of the shoe, and gold accents on the tongue, but then also on the insole of this pair. Yes, you get an additional lace color in white, and you see both here. I think I'll actually go with white for day-to-day wear. Gum bottom outsole with Nike SB accented in the same Lucky Green colorway. This is a pretty basic pair, but it still stands out due to the richness of the Lucky Green colorway and that metallic pop on the swoosh. So again, I would say check the secondary markets if you missed this pair, because it's actually a great one to add.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ, back another video on Talks with TJ, and that's right, another Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. That's just that's kind of the vibe this year in 2022, and it's a beautiful thing. Why? Because so many factors are in play for a beautiful buyer's market right now within sneakers. Do you know why? Because the sneaker market is not the resale market, okay? Resale, you're suffering right now. That sucks. Myself as a buyer and collector, it's a beautiful thing because pairs are finally reasonably priced for me to enjoy what I missed out on. And that would be the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro St. Patrick's Day. Now, I say with wholehearted honesty, I would not be wearing this pair right now if the Warriors lost to the Celtics. I just couldn't. Like, my pride would still be hurt as a fan. I would probably have to wait until like partway through the regular season for me to break out this pair. But I don't have to worry about that. I can rock this pair right now with pride. Not only am I wearing your team colors, we beat your team, but all in good fun. Like, Jason Tatum is great, and I can't wait to see what the new season holds actually for them in the East, because listen, I'm just a fan of basketball and great basketball. So I am excited to see what they do, what that young star does, but it's also blasphemous a little bit for me as a Michigan fan and a Yankees fan to own a Boston shoe. Now, it doesn't say Boston on it, but when you're into sports and you think of St. Patrick's Day, what do you think of? You think of the Notre Dame Fighting Irish. You think of the Boston Celtics. Quite honestly, you also probably think of, well, you know, Boston Red Sox, New England Patriots. Can we see how I'm not a fan of Boston in any way, shape, or form? It's not as bad as the Lakers when it comes to the Celtics themselves, but just for me as a Michigan fan, listen, there's no love for the Irish at all. Actually, thinking back, I can't believe my mom once told me, I really wish you would have, considered Notre Dame. I thought you would apply there. I really wanted to ask my mom, like, are you even my mom anymore? Like, do you know who your child is? Why on earth would I apply to Notre Dame when I'm a diehard Michigan fan? But nonetheless, she had those hopes, and, I'm a child, so I went ahead and destroyed my parents' hopes of not applying to Notre Dame at all. Just was never on my radar as a Michigan fan. But this pair is beautifully done, as so many SBs are, and it's a simple pair, as you guys saw in the unboxing. It's an all green pair. You have the gold swoosh on there. I actually wish this swoosh would have been in a different material. I don't know, maybe tumbled leather or something. I think that just would have made it look a little bit better. But hey, we'll see how it wears over time with me actually putting this shoe into rotation. But I'm a fan of just the execution overall of the pair. I don't have any predominantly like all green pairs within my collection. I let go of the pine green Jordan 1 2.0. I just never really wore it, versus this pair, I can't wait to wear it so many different ways. Matter of fact, let's just go ahead and see how I choose to wear this pair 3 ways now. For the very first look on the left, I'm actually wearing the brand new Supreme Umbro soccer jersey that released a few weeks ago. I picked up the white, red, and green jersey in a size small, paired with the Fear of God Essentials brand new nylon track pants in the oak colorway. It was a no-brainer for the second look to break out the Richie Lee Collection zipper flannel with the green and gold accents to coordinate perfectly well with the SB. Also rocking a crop tank, the everyday nylon pants in black from Minimal, and then the casino pack hat also in green and gold. Finally, one of the most amazing jerseys in my collection, the Metropolitan Riveters black rosy jersey I customized with 22 Tej, and then the boyfriend denim from PacSun I picked up a while ago. So comment below which look is your favorite. Well, I guess it's settled come St. Patrick's Day for 2023. I already have the pair clearly set aside that I'll enjoy and wear for that joyous celebration where all of us celebrate the Irish, even if we're not Irish. It's a chance to just go hang out and drink responsibly with friends and just partake in the holiday itself. But more importantly, it is nice to see the brands that we love put out themed pairs. They just never seem to put them out on time. If you're Nike, if you're Vans, and you put out the holiday collection when it came to Halloween on time and people could enjoy their Jason and Freddy Krueger and just, you know, just Nike, take note from Vans and put things out in a reasonable amount of time for us to enjoy them for the intended holiday. You just can't seem to get that right, but at least I took advantage of the sale price. Well, I guess I should say not necessarily sale price, just decent resale price on GOAT. So again, be sure to shop on GOAT. This is not like a sponsor post or anything like that, but be sure to check out GOAT. Just for me, again, the experience just tends to be better in terms of communication with somebody from the brand if you have any problems or issues. And right now, prices seem to be a little bit more reasonable. I haven't had any personal issues with GOAT. That's not to say you may have not had issues with them, but as opposed to StockX, this day and age, I'll just take my chances with GOAT or with eBay. So another Nike SB again in the collection, and this is just the year for them. It's time for me to scope out that Dodgers pair to see, even as a Yankees fan, what it's going for, because I'm excited to hopefully add that to the collection. I'll rock that with a lot of Warriors gear. Listen, it's predominantly blue and white, okay? I will make that work with other team apparel within my closet or just anything else I would like to wear. So at the end of the day, continue to buy what you love, not what the masses like, not what's hyped, not what will get you a lot of likes, because I can promise you those likes do nothing for you at the end of the day. Who gives a... I'm not going to curse because I have kids that watch. I'm going to do my best right here. Use just better discernment in terms of what you spend your money on. It should be for you and your enjoyment and fulfillment, not others, okay? So kids, remember that, all right? I appreciate you guys tuning in to this video. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.